welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am back with a very fun and exciting video. So in a previous video, I mentioned that I was going to be getting a brand new iPhone. Felt like it was only fitting if I filmed a updated what is on my iPhone and also an unboxing of the iPhone 13. I really hope you guys enjoy watching today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and do not forget to check out my socials. I'll be linking them down below. And yeah, basically with that out of the way, let's get into the video. So I got the iPhone 13 in white. I love getting the white iPhones just because I feel like they go with literally anything. When you open up the iPhone box, you've got obviously get your iPhone, and then inside it comes with a charger and also just comes with Apple stickers and the little bits of information they give you in like this little packet. And it also came with a SIM card tool as well. But other than that, that's basically all that's in the iPhone box. It's a lot thinner than the other phones, I've realized, but it's more minimalistic, I guess. And then for my iPhone case, I got the unique liquid silicone case, and this one also has MagSafe, which I found is really helpful because when I charge my devices, I use this MagSafe portable charger block. This is really helpful. I also got the case in baby pink just because you guys know baby pink is my absolute favorite color. So this is what the iPhone 13 looks like in white. I love like the glass background. I've always been a fan of this. Very, very beautiful. I love it. It's so pretty. Now I'm going to get into what is on my iPhone. Starting off on my home screen, I've got some widgets on my home screen. So I've got the top one, which is just the date in baby pink and white, and then my second widget is just a photo of me, Mary Kesso. I've got calendar, photos, camera settings, watch, Revolut Junior, calculator. Calendar, I actually started to use more just because I've started to arrange things, so I just put them in my calendar and I get reminders. Photos camera is a given just because I use my photos and my camera so much on my iPhone because I take so many photos. Settings is just there because you need to have it obviously on your iPhone. Apple Watch to control my watch. I've got Revolut Junior, which is my banking, so I just have that banking app on my phone. The next app I have is calculator. Guys, I suck with math, so when I'm out, I've been like using calculator a freakishly large amount this week. Next up on the bottom row, I've got FaceTime, phone call, iMessage, and Safari. So FaceTime and phone call, obviously just to call people. iMessage to text people. I use Safari then just to like Google stuff and search things up on the internet. Background, as you guys can see, like my home screen is just this print that I found on Pinterest. I'm kind of going with the baby pink white aesthetic, so I've got this heart little thing, so I thought it was cute. So it's my home screen. Now scrolling across, it is YouTube School Creating Central. That is what I want to call this side of my screen. I've got YouTube, YouTube Studio, Subcount, Fonto, Pinterest, Visco, Canva, iMovie, Gmail, Flow, Pixar, Teams, Outlook. I feel like these are all a bit of a given just because it's all in the name. But I've got YouTube and YouTube Studio, which you guys are watching on right now, siennaxsumms. YouTube Studio, if you're a creator, it's such a helpful app just because it really helps out with seeing your statistics, what you can improve on, because it shows you like your watch time, your views, your reaches for the month. It's just honestly such a good and useful app when you're creating content. Below that, I've got Subcount, and right now we are on 842. This is your reminder, if you're not subscribed already, subscribe down below because we're trying to get to 900 and then 1K. So very exciting. And then I've got Fonto, which I actually use for thumbnails as well as Canva. They're honestly such helpful apps. They're so good to make thumbnails on. Pinterest and Visco. So Visco I use to edit the colors in my photos, and I love how you can figure around with all the different colors depending on the photos. And then I upload my photos either to Instagram, thumbnails, or Pinterest. I actually started uploading my own pins onto Pinterest. I use iMovie to edit, but obviously now I edit on Final Cut Pro on my laptop, and I film now on a camera. Gmail. Now guys, I know this is a terrible amount of unopened emails, but I promise you, when younger me decided to sign up to all these places, I've now got 507 emails from just spam. But this is just Gmail. I use it for emails. Flow is just a period tracker app, and then I've got Pixar, which I do another thing for my thumbnails as well, just to like outline, I guess. And then Teams and Outlook are for school. That is basically everything that is on my second screen. And then I've got two widgets, and one of them says taking care of yourself is productive, which is true. I've also then got an ice cream widget just for more aesthetic, and also guys, I love ice cream. The new ones I guess I haven't showed you guys are ASOS, Pretty Little Thing, Zara. I've also got Spotify in here, and then I've got Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, my fitness pal that I use like to help with fitness and stuff. ASOS, Pretty Little Thing, and Zara obviously just to like look at shopping. This is my Instagram account. You guys can follow me at siennaxsumms22. I post so much on here. I post daily, and I'm always active on my stories. I always reply to DMs as as well. Snapchat is a personal social media just for like my personal life, that's off camera. This is my TikTok. I've been so active on TikTok. I think I'm posting every day, and I just post like mini content TikToks, I guess, outfit of the days, photo dumps, all those things that don't make it to the vlogs. I always just post here on TikTok. Spotify just to listen to music. That is everything that is on my iPhone 13 and also the unboxing for today's video. I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and do not forget to check out my socials. I'll be linking them down below, as well as my iPhone case, which I'll also be linking down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Have an amazing day, an amazing rest of the week. Bye. This just gives me such bad anxiety because I am so clumsy, and I always worry that like I will smash my phone or something because I'm yet to buy screen protector and I've had it like 2 weeks. So I need to be better.